I'm sitting in a 2004 Ford F-150. It's a new body shape. We have no keys. We're just going to do a program key. Our key is on. You can see our security light is flashing. Key is on. Let's get started. Alright, let's see how many keys are in the memory. Probably 2. Nope, 3. Alright, let's do this program key. Remove key from ignition. I'm just going to turn it off. Okay, turn it on. 1 key. Okay. Alright, it's done. Now if we go to count keys, we just see a key count of 4. There it is. Turn the key off. OBD2 is right down there. There's our security light. There it is, it cranks. That's all we need to do. We'll turn it on again, the light will go out in just a second. And that's it, all done.